we have two charts from Malaysia. The first one would be Umedic Group Berhad. So for Umedic Group Berhad, as you can see from May 2024 high, it has actually started a downtrend which has pushed the price below all key moving averages. But then it has found a strong support at 57 cent because it has tested the current support line multiple times. And the recent rebound has actually lifted the price back above the 30-day SMA and 50-day SMA, which also has pushed it and broke above the downtrend line, which is a positive bullish reversal sign. So another green candle above this downtrend line would actually could start a new uplift. So the next counter from Malaysia would be AJX Group Berhad. So for AJX Group Berhad, it's actually been consolidating between the 30-day SMA and 50-day SMA, which has led to the formation of a double bottom formation. So last Friday has actually broke above the double bottom formation with high volume. So we believe that buying interest has surged. But then again, given that the RSI has just reached overbought, so we expect it to build a new base above this previous resistance line before it reach our next resistance at 66 cents. So next, let's move to Indonesia. We have two charts to highlight here. The first one, we have Bukit Asam. So for Bukit Asam, even though the price has been in a correction mode, but then we believe it has found a strong support at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level given the recent decrease in trading volume. So we believe a rebound from the 50% Fibonacci retracement would lead to a double, would complete the double bottom pattern, and a breakout above this pattern would lead, we believe, would give the bulls the upper hand. The next one, we have J Resources Asia Pacific. So it has been in a mild pullback as well, but then we believe it has found a strong support at the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, which coincides with the 30-day SMA. So it has actually risen for several days, even though it's only mild. But then given the recent increase in trading volume, so we believe a big move might happen soon, and we could expect that if it could maintain above this 30-day SMA, it could maybe test our next resistance at 348. Now let's move on to Philippines. So for Philippines, the first chart we have here is MRC Allied Incorporated. So we could see the first circle at the bottom here on 11 July low at 42 cent. From this low over here, it has actually started a new uptrend given the higher low structures. If you see at the subsequent circles over here, down the price has pushed back above all moving averages, and you can see the 30-day SMA and also the 50-day SMA have been sloping upwards. And the 30-day SMA is on the verge of crossing above the 200-day SMA. So we believe that bulls momentum have been building up, and a crossover of 30-day SMA above the 200-day SMA will sign a bullish continuation move. Next one, we have Century Pacific Food. So for Century Pacific Food, ever since it broke above the previous resistance line, downturn support line, it has actually built a new base above the line, and it has been maintaining its position above this line and also above all key moving averages. And we could see, even though it's on the sideway range, it has actually tested multiple times the current resistance line. So given the recent increase in trading volume and the rise in RSI, we believe that a breakout above this current resistance line at 42.30 cent will actually lead to a new upcycle. Next, let's move to Singapore. So for Singapore, first one, we have Bao State Singapore. So for Bao State Singapore, last Friday, it has actually completed the inverted head and shoulder pattern with increased volume. But please be mindful that it has just completed the pattern, but it has not yet do a breakout moment. But then given the recent increase in trading volume and also the RSI has been trending upward, and it also happened above all key moving averages. So we believe that a breakout is imminent, and a breakout above this line over here, the current resistance line, will actually lead to a new bullish move. Next, for Singapore, we have Singapore Telecommunications. So for Singapore Telecommunications, it has been in a pullback mode, but then it has rebounded strongly from the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. Ever since that, it has been rising, and now has just closed at the current resistance line. So a break above this line would confirm a rounding base pattern breakout, and a rounding base pattern breakout will signify a strong bullish continuation move. Next, let's go to Thailand. So for Thailand, we have Fosmart Public Company. So for Fosmart Public Company, yes, it has been building a new base or been trading in a sideways range between all the key moving averages. But then last Friday, it has actually made an important bullish breakout as it actually broke above the cup and handle pattern with high volume. So we believe now buying interest has surged, and another green candle above this pattern would actually give bulls the advantage. Next, we have advanced information tech. So for advanced information tech, it's also making the same move as it's been consolidating between moving averages, but then this time it has been making a new horizontal channel. And last Friday, it gap up strongly as it has broke above the horizontal channel with high volume. So we believe now the sideways range has been completed, and a new bullish move might unfold if it could maintain above this resistant horizontal channel line. Last one, let's go to Vietnam. So for Vietnam, we have construction or CTD. So for CTD, it has recently broke above this current resistance line, or we could see looks like a rounding base pattern breakout. So we could see that the recent increased trading volume has confirmed that the breakout has been followed up by continued buying interest. And given that the RSI is still below overbought levels, we believe that buying momentum is still there and bulls could actually go higher before it build a new base. And the last one we have today is Putai JSC. So for Putai JSC, it just recently broke above the previous resistance line with high volume. So we believe now the correction from the June 24th half has been completed. So you could see it has tested the red line over here, which is the 200-day SMA. So we believe another breakout above this line would actually lead to a bullish reversal move.